Hello guys, welcome to our channel. How to start SEO career on freelancing sites. How to become an SEO freelancer. Become an SEO expert. It's a good idea to learn everything. If you spend much time on the internet and particularly if you are ever written internet and particularly if you are written online content, you have likely come across the SEOs. Many business owners and marketers who seek writers for their blogs or websites specify SEO experience or expertise as a requirement. But just what is SEO and how can you as a freelancer add associated skills to your toolkit? Why do businesses and clients want SEO writers physically, and how can you break into the world and become an SEO freelancer? What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is part of a larger digital marketing strategy and refers to optimizing content published on the internet so that user can easily find that content when they use a search engine. What are the tasks of an SEO freelancer? Keyword research, competitor analysis, on-page SEO services, on-page SEO services, media research. How do you become an SEO freelancer? Become a SEO expert. It's a good idea to learn everything you can about the best SEO practices. The more you know, the better the web pages you create will perform and easier it will be to attract additional clients. Consider reading about SEO is more detailed, taking classes in your create a portfolio of your work, earn references and reviews. In addition to a portfolio, works from happy clients provide further. Create a website. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Obtain the right SEO tools for your toolkit. Use job boards. Thanks for watching. We will meet on next video.